Hello, good morning, students. Welcome back, all of you. Let us move in the next page here. Till yesterday, what we have done is completed the first page along with the give reasons also. And now let us move little bit ahead in the yes. I think till yesterday, section A, true or false, was completed. Then your national movements in India, same lesson. There were some sentences in which you have to write the only one word answer, then fill in the blanks with the correct option from the given below each statement. Correct? And then after that, we went on the fourth page till last point. Then fifth one was also completed. Correct? Then page number 25, we have completed this one also. And now, in your section B, answer the following questions as required. Okay? Uh, just find out, was it completed or not? Who partitioned Bengal, when and why? Lord Curzon partitioned Bengal on 16th October 1905. I hope you have completed this one also. And now, why did the Indian Muslims start the Khilafat movement? Till here, we have completed it. Correct? Then, fourth number, why is Viceroy Minto called the father of Muslim communalism? If your answer is incomplete, just complete the answer here, all of you. Please write down the answer. By adopting the divide and rule policy, all of you please see the details. By adopting the divide and rule policy, the English wanted to create the English, that is the Britishers. The English wanted to create a conflict between a conflict between Hindus and Muslims. Hindus and Muslims. Full stop. The then Viceroy Lord Minto, the then Viceroy Lord Minto finished. Lord Minto and Indian Wazir या वजीर है Indian Wazir Morley Morley together planned to crush the together planned to crush the Indian nationalism to crush the Indian nationalism. Indian nationalism. Okay, full stop. The English became successful in the English became successful in successful in convincing a group of Muslims, convincing a group of Muslims that they must form a Muslim organization, to demand for separate voting rights, to demand for separate voting rights, separate voting rights, and separate voting centers, and separate voting centers. Full stop. Then jump on the fifth question. What were the main provisions of the Rowlatt Act? Rowlatt Act के main provisions कौन कौन से थे? So write down the answer. The main provisions of the Rowlatt Act are as follows. As follows. Full stop. Okay. Then write down first point. This act was framed. This act was framed. This act was framed with the purpose of with the purpose of suppressing revolutionaries, suppressing revolutionaries, 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 and nationalists, and nationalists, and nationalists, NATIONALISTS, nationalist. Full stop. Number two, it was meant to suppress. It was meant to suppress. It was meant to suppress it was meant to suppress individual freedom, individual freedom, and freedom of speech. Individual spelling correct करना वहाँ पे. Individual freedom and freedom of speech. Third one, according to this act, comma, any suspicious person could be arrested and jailed, without conducting any trial against him, Then move in the next question. Question number 6. Why was the non-cooperation movement bracket 1922 withdrawn? Non-cooperation movement को पीछे क्यों हटना पड़ा? People took out rally people, आंसर लिखिए सब लोग. People took out rally in the Chori Chora village. Chori Chora village. Chori Chora village in Gorakhpur. In Gorakhpur, कॉमा उत्तर प्रदेश. गोरखपुर उत्तर प्रदेश का एक छोटा सा गांव है जो अभी एक टाउन की तरह है. फुल स्टॉप. द पुलिस ओपन्ड द फायर. द पुलिस opened the fire on the people. The police opened the fire on the people. On the people. Full stop. But when they ran short of bullets, but when they ran short of bullets, comma, people attacked the police station. People attacked the police station and set it on the fire. Set it on fire. And set it on fire. And set it on fire. In which 21 policemen died. In which 21 policemen died. 21 policemen died. Full stop. On receiving this horrible news, on receiving this horrible news, comma, Gandhiji suspended the movement immediately. Gandhiji suspended the movement immediately. Gandhiji suspended the movement immediately. Now in question number 7, write about the following individuals. एक एक करके इनमें से एक एक करके डिटेल्स लिखनी है एक एक के बारे में. फर्स्ट इज अरविंद घोष. कौन थे वो? ठीक है, फिर मैडम बीका जी काम आएगा उसी पेज पर. फर्स्ट राइट डाउन अरविंद घोष. श्री अरविंद घोष was the pioneer of PIONER, pioneer of armed revolution in Gujarat. Armed revolution in Gujarat. Full stop. But he remained behind the curtain. But he remained behind the curtain. But he remained behind the curtain. Full stop. He described the scheme for revolution in his book named Bhavani Mandir. सिंगल इनवर्टेड कॉमास में कीजिएगा भवानी मंदिर वर्ड को एंड फुल स्टॉप. It was also translated into Gujarati and published in the and published in the journal Dakshina. Dakshina. Full stop. Now, second is Madam Bikaji Kama. Write down. Madam Bikaji Kama. Madam Bikaji Kama was a revolutionary. Was a revolutionary. Was a revolutionary. Full stop. In the international. In the international. In the international socialist conference. Socialist conference held in Stuttgart. Held in Stuttgart. Stuttgart. Stuttgart, comma Germany. Germany, comma the national flag. The national flag was prepared by. Was prepared by Madam Bikaji Kama. Madam Bikaji Kama for the first time. For the first time. This is about Madam Bikaji Kama. Then next point is that is the national movement in India. Last point है उसमें सेक्शन बी और सी का. ओके. चित्तरंजन दास. Write down all of you. Chittaranjan Das was one of the founders of Swarajya Party. Swarajya Party. Second, the Swarajya Party became weak when he died in June 1925. June 1925. Okay, June 1925. Section D. Question number 1. Write the features of boycott movement. Boycott movement. Full stop. And discuss any two features. तो उसमें सबसे पहले नेचर कैसा था उस मूवमेंट का. Boycott of foreign goods. How was the nature of this boycott movement? तो वो लिखिए. नेचर लिखकर अंडरलाइन कर देना और उसके आगे लिखना boycott of foreign goods, comma Swadeshi movement and bang bang of 1905 and cunning policies of Britishers such as divide and rule played an important role in awakening the whole India, awakening the whole India to fight for freedom, to fight for freedom. Full stop. Bengal was a big province. Bengal was a big province during the British rule. During the British rule, which included which included today's Bengal, today's Bengal, comma, Bihar, Bihar, and Odisha. Full stop. Compared to other states, compared to other states, Bengal was the central point. Bengal was the central point of national awakening, of national awakening. Full stop. To break the unity, to break the unity of Hindus and Muslims, of Hindus and Muslims, Viceroy Curzon, Viceroy Curzon divided Bengal, divided Bengal into East and West Bengal, East and West Bengal. There, full stop. There was, there was a strong opposition. There was a strong opposition to the division of Bengal, to the division of Bengal. Full stop. When Bengal was divided, when Bengal was divided on 16th October, on 16th October, comma, 1905, again comma, the whole Bengal observed, the whole Bengal observed, the whole Bengal observed, the whole Bengal observed the day as a national mourning day, the day as a national mourning day. Full stop. Then continue. The same day, the same day, comma, an announcement was made for, an announcement was made for boycotting foreign goods, was made for boycotting foreign goods. Again, I repeat, the same day, an announcement was made for boycotting. What does the word boycotting means? Avoid the usage of the foreign clothes or foreign goods. Okay? To go against the process implemented by the Britishers. And therefore, boycotting of the foreign goods was very necessary. Full stop. Then that day, Hindus and Muslims, Hindus and Muslims, that day Hindus and Muslims tied Rakhis. It's a kind of a festival when the sister ties a kind of a symbolic thread like structure on the wrist of the brother and taking the promise for protecting. That process was together held on that day by both the religions, that is Hindus and Muslims. Okay, tied Rakis to each other in the entire Bengal, in the entire Bengal, to express their unity, to express their unity. First stop. This moment had, this moment had three major characteristics. Three major characteristics. One, first one, adopt, ADOPT, adopt indigenous products, INDIGENOUS. Indigenous means which are only prepared in our own nation. Okay, that is Swadeshi products can be the another word for indigenous. Then second one, boycott foreign goods. Boycott foreign goods. And the third one is adopt national education. Adopt national education. Now, in the notebook, first answer regarding the same question, effects. You can write that effects just below this answer. You can continue from notebook and write the different type of the effects which took place because of the movement of boycott. Boycott की वजह से जो effects है वो आप इसमें continue कर सकते हो. Clear? Now, after that, page number 28. Write a short note on Swarajya Party. Write a short note on Swarajya Party. Swarajya Party was established. It's a lengthy answer. Please note it down properly. Some part of the answer. Swarajya Party was established by Chittaranjan Das. Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru. Swarajya Party was established by Chittaranjan Das, Chittaranjan. Don't write Chittaranjan Das. It's a wrong spelling. Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru for creating national awareness among the people after the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement. After the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement. Full stop. Continue. Their purpose was to enter the legislative assembly. Enter the legislative assembly and oppose the unfair policies and oppose the unfair policies of the government and the last line for the day, the leaders of Swarajya Party adopted the constructive activities of Gandhiji. We'll continue the answer in the next session. I'll just repeat the answer and then we'll proceed towards the next question.